Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Node.js latest version on Windows 11 PC. Very recently, Node.js published their latest version. So in this video, I will show you how to install Node.js latest version on Windows 11 PC. So at first, I open my browser and then type Node.js on search bar and hit enter. This is the official website of Node.js. From here, I click on get Node.js, and from here we download 24.13.0 LTS version for Windows. So I scroll down and click on Windows installer.msi. It already downloaded. I minimize my browser. This is the setup file of Node.js 24.13.0. So I double click on it. I click on next button. I click on I accept and license agreement. I click on next and click on next button and click on next and click on next and click on install button. It asks me permission. I click on yes. I click on finish button. So Node.js installation is completed. I press shift button from the keyboard and right click on desktop. It show me open PowerShell Windows here. And now I type node-v and hit enter. So it is show me that Node.js version 24.13.0, which is the current installed version of Node.js. So I check npm version. So I type npm hyphen v and hit enter. So this is the npm version of Node.js. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Node.js on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.